Debbie here from Southern Delight. I'm so glad that you could join me today. What we're going to be doing today is I'm going to take this cheese box that I was given. Usually around the holidays they put bourbon cakes in them at the grocery store. I think you can find some of these cheese boxes at your local craft store like Hobby Lobby and Michael's. But what I have done is I have decoupaged a pumpkin scene on mine. I took the cheese box and I painted it, and I used 3 different colors. I just used the water-based paints that you can get, the crackle paint and the white, the gray, and then I used a tan and mixed and blended the colors all together. And then I took the napkins and cut out the scene that I wanted, and I decoupaged it on the front of it. And then my next step that I did was I had taken some foam and I hot glued it down in the center. I took the lid and measured it in the foam. Then the next step that I did was I took some leftover fall flowers that I had just laying around with the fall colored leaves, the pumpkins, the grapes, and this beautiful blue color that matched the photograph that I have on the back of the cheese box, and I just made a flower arrangement. But this makes a really nice centerpiece, and I was really thrilled how it turned out, and I hope that this will give you some ideas to go ahead and start your own. But I just fell in love with this napkin, and I happen to save a lot of napkins around the holidays and so forth, but they're great for decoupaging projects. And all you need is just a little bit of Mod Podge and a paintbrush and some scissors and to get started, and you can Mod Podge just about anything. If you like this craft and like what I'm doing here, just hit that subscribe button, because I have many more crafts for fall, and that way you can keep up with what I'm doing. And right now I'm getting ready to do a craft sale this coming weekend, so I've been busy crafting away, and I will share some tips on that, on how you can earn extra money making different gifts. And this just happens to be one of them for fall. So see you next time.